We're going to be talking about how to view ads and make fast PayPal money. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss out on this simple and great hidden technique. You will be shocked. Number 1. Make a PayPal account. Firstly, create a PayPal account. PayPal allows you to digitally store your online earnings in their online wallet. It's convenient and needed for today's technique. So what if you don't have a PayPal account? Well, don't worry, because you can easily make one and it's free. First, go to their website. Now at the top right corner, you will see a sign up button. Click on that. Now it will ask if you want to create a personal account or a business account. Select the personal account option. Next, it will ask what kind of account this is. You can select an online shopper, freelancer, both, or unsure. Select one and hit next. Then you will be asked to enter your mobile number. After that, you will enter a working email address. Make sure both your email address and mobile number are correct, so that way you do not get locked out of your account. Then, create a strong and secure password. Now you're all set. If you'd like, you can also download the PayPal mobile app for ease and earnings on the go. You're now set to move on to the next step. Number 2. Go to the Fusion Cash website. Fusion Cash is one of the best sites out there to make money through viewing ads. It is simple to navigate and has a great payout. Today we will be looking at how it is done. When you first search up the website and click on it, you will see that a pop-up will appear asking you to register with the site. It is easy to do. Just put in a username, your email address, a password, and your zip code. After all that, you are registered. And just for registering, you do get a $5 bonus. So that is already an earning and you barely had to do anything. If you're worried about the legitimacy of the website, don't be. It is a completely legitimate company. You can check their About section on their website and even read all about the company. They even have major clients and work with big brands. These companies and brands are trying to get their products known and need help from sites like this, so they pay Fusion Cash, and in turn, Fusion Cash pays you to view these ads. It is a great system, and hey, you earned money from it. This website has paid members over $3 million since its founding in 2005. The different things you can do on this website is take surveys, watch videos, read emails, view ads, and more. It is reliable, so no need to worry about whether or not you will get paid. Number 3. Navigate the website. Now that you have registered an account with Fusion Cash, it is time to take a look around the website and find out how you can earn. So, first you will see the front page. From there, you will see multiple tabs, the first one being Popular. You will see a lot of different ways you can earn money on the top tab, including videos, pay to click, tasks, and others. Tasks include surveys, downloading apps, and other similar activities. Under the Popular tab, you can see many different offers that will pay you cash. There are things you can do, such as redeem a $5 bonus just for signing up, visiting a coupon center, looking at magazines, sign up to Gamefly, and many more. The pay-to-click section at the top of the page is what we will be looking at today. By using this, you will be getting paid just to view ads. It is pretty simple to do and can be fun since there are many different types of ads to look at. You can even look at recipes and entertainment news. It is called paid to click because all you need to do is click through these ads and you won't even have to read through them. This works because companies pay Fusion Cash to advertise their sites and products on here, so you become a viewer, thus boosting their engagement. It helps the companies and publication sites by giving them bigger audiences, and it helps you to earn. Some of the money that comes from the company's payments to Fusion Cash goes to you. You will need to follow the steps carefully because if you don't, you may not get your earnings. It is easy to do, so don't worry. We will explore how it is all done in a bit, so keep watching. And with that, let's move on to the next step. Number 4. Make money through pay to click. Seems you're ready to get your wheels on the road and start earning. So how to get started? First, scroll to the top of the page and click on the pay to click button. This will lead you to a new page. The page has many different sections and a set of 3 steps at the top of it. You must follow these steps, otherwise you will not get paid, so make sure to listen carefully to this part. There was an update on the site that required you to earn a minimum of 5 cents before you could start using the paid to click section, but that is very simple to do. You can just go to the video section and watch a video to earn a few cents first. Then go back to the paid to click section and continue with that. So let us take a look at step 1. It says to visit 4 different pages, such as comics. Simple enough, you can navigate to the left sidebar of the page and see the section with all the different pages on it. Click on one of these. Say you want entertainment. Click on that. Now you will be led to a new page. You will now have a bunch of pages to choose from. Right-click on a page and click Open in the new tab. Do this to 3 other pages. Now you will have 4 pages opened up. It doesn't matter which pages you open up, it can be any of these options. You won't even have to read through them, just open them up. Next, we will go on to step 2. Step 2 is to click on a sponsor's advertisement. Scroll down and under the pages, the section is the sponsor section. Click on any of these pages and it will lead you to a new page. After you have done that, refresh the page. Now you will see a section on the right side that tells you that you need to visit 4 content pages for a total of 2.5 minutes to qualify for your reward. It will also tell you that you have visited a sponsored ad. Now you need to wait for that timer to run out and then you can collect your reward. Refresh the page again and you will see a timer that tells you how many minutes you have left. Click on 3 more pages from 3 different sections such as recipes and weather and you will be ready to earn. So after 2.5 minutes you will see that you have earned 15 cents. It's fast and it's easy. To redeem your payment, click the green redeem button. After that you will get a pop-up that says you must keep it open for 60 seconds to get your reward. Keep this open and you will see there is a security code that you need to enter. Enter that and wait for the timer to run out and then click redeem. It will now take you to a page where you can see where you have been credited for your tasks. Number 5, cash out with PayPal. Now it's time to put those earning wheels on the road. Start receiving that money through PayPal. Make sure you have your PayPal account ready. To cash out with Fusion Cash, look at the top of the page and click on the My Account button. It will lead you to a page for your account settings. You will then see what your balance is. You can also check all of your credits when you got them and if they were approved. There's also a tab for your cash out so you can keep track of them. Another tab is for your referrals. On the left, you will see a cash out button in green. To cash out, you must have a minimum of $25 and at least $15 of that balance must not come from bonus credits. It is easy to get to $25 after you spend some time on the website, so set aside some time and start earning by doing simple tasks such as looking at ads. Once you have enough funds, you can request a cash out, and the cash outs are approved around the 20th of each month. This money will go directly to your PayPal. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of the other videos on your screen and we will see you there.